Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Today, let's learn about capacity. What do you mean by capacity? Suppose you are going to the shop to buy some milk or to buy some oil. You're going to say you need 1 liter of milk or 2 liters of oil, right? So there you are referring to the capacity of the container with which it is kept, either the milk or the oil. So you can say capacity is the measure of how much something can hold. That is, capacity is the measure of the amount of liquid a container can hold. So we use different units for measuring capacity. The commonly used ones are liters and milliliters. But the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter, which is represented with the capital letter L. Let's see some units of capacity. You have to make a note of this in your notebook. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So if 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, what would be 2 liters? 2 liters will be equal to 2 into 1000 milliliters. And what is it? It will be equal to 2000 milliliters. Now, what about if it is 3 liters? 3 liters will be equal to 3000 milliliters. 4 liters, 4000 milliliters. 25 liters will be equal to 25 into 1000 or 25,000 milliliters. So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Keep this in your mind. So, if 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, what would be 1 milliliter? How would we find it out? See, we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. And how can I make this side as 1 milliliter? We can divide this 1000 by 1000 itself, dividing number by number itself, and make this part as 1. So I'm going to divide this by 1000, and I have to do the same on the left hand side also. So here it is 1 by 1000 liters, and here it is 1000 by 1000 milliliters. So what is 1000 by 1000? It is equal to 1. So it is 1 milliliter here and 1 by 1000 of liter. So we can say 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, whereas 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So make a note of this in your notebook and make sure you know it. Now, let's see how we can convert liters into milliliters. So which is a bigger unit here? Liter is a bigger unit and milliliters is a smaller unit. So to convert liters into milliliters, multiply the given liters by 1000. So remember, when we are converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. So to convert liters into milliliters, just multiply the given liters by 1000. Let's see some examples. Convert 4 liters into milliliters. So from liters into milliliters, bigger to smaller, you multiply. And we know what is 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So what would be 4 liter? It will be equal to 4 into 1000 milliliters or 4000 milliliters. So we have converted the given measurement in liters into an equivalent measurement in terms of milliliters alone. Now let's see more examples. Convert 3 liter 632 milliliter into milliliters. So when you are given a combination like this, what we can do is that we can split the given measurement for the ease of conversion. So here it is 3 liter and 632 milliliters. So we can write this as 3 liter plus 632 milliliter. You see, the question is to convert it into an equal measurement of milliliters alone. So here we have a milliliter part in the question itself, but here we also have a liter part. So what we can do, we can convert this liter into its equivalent in milliliters, so that everything can be converted into milliliters alone. So how can we convert 3 liter into milliliters? Let's see how. So we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So what is 3 liter? 3 liter is equal to 3 into 1000 or 3000 milliliters. So the question given here can be written as 3 liter 632 milliliter is equal to 3 liter plus 632 milliliter. We have split it. Now instead of 3 liters, we can substitute it with 3000 milliliters, the equivalent of 3 liter in terms of milliliters, plus the 632 which is already given in the question. Let's add them together and we get 3632 milliliters. We have changed the given measurement into an equivalent measurement in terms of milliliters alone. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see how we can convert milliliters into liters. So this is from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Small to big, we divide. Just keep this in mind. So to convert milliliters into liters, you can either write 1000 milliliter as 1 liter or divide the milliliters by 1000. Let's see some examples. Convert 8000 milliliter into liters. So we are given a measurement in terms of milliliters. We have to change that into liters from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. We can do this in two methods. Let's see method 1. In method 1, you can write 1000 milliliter as 1 liter. Let's see how. See, we are given 8000 milliliter and it can be written as 8 into 1000 milliliters. And what is 1000 milliliters? It is equal to 1 liter. So we have written 1000 milliliters as 1 liter here. So 8 into 1 liter is equal to 8 liters. So we have converted 8000 milliliter to 8 liters. So this is one method. Now let's see a second method. In second method, you have to divide the given milliliters by 1000. Why? Because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So 2 milliliter will be 2 by 1000 liters. 3 milliliter will be 3 by 1000 liters. And like that. So you are given 8000 milliliter. So it will be equal to 8000 by 1000 liters. And what is 8000 by 1000? What should be multiplied to 1000 to get 8000? 1000 8s are 8000. So 8000 by 1000 is equal to 8 liters. So I hope this is clear to you. You can do either method 1 or method 2, whichever is easier for you unless specified otherwise. Now let's see more examples. Convert 3527 milliliters into liter and milliliters. So you have to change the given milliliters into a combination of liters and milliliters. So what you can do is that for the ease of conversion, you can first split the given measurement into two. So 3527 is a little more than 3000 milliliters. So we can split this as 3000 milliliters is equal to 3000 milliliters plus 527 milliliters. Now we can convert the milliliter part here into liters easily and we can write that as a combination. Let's see that how. So the given measurement 3527 milliliters is equal to 3000 milliliters plus 527 milliliters. So we know 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. So we can change this 3000 milliliter into liters. So 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 into 1000 milliliters. So this 1000 milliliter can be written as 1 liter. So this 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 into 1 liter, or that is 3 liters. So now we have changed this part in terms of 3 liters. And we already have a milliliter part in the question. So right now we have a combination of liters and milliliters. So the given question 3527 milliliters is equal to 3 liter, this part 3 liter plus 527 milliliters. This can be written as 3 liter 527 milliliter here. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do one activity. This is from page number 127 in your textbook. Under the heading try this, convert the following into liters and milliliters. The first question 6800 milliliter. So here 6800 milliliter can be split into 6000 milliliter plus 800 milliliter. So what is 6000 milliliter? It is equal to 6 liters. And here it is 800 milliliter. So you can write that together with 6 liters. So what do we write here? 6800 milliliter is equal to 6 liters 800 milliliter. So we have written that as a combination of liters and milliliters. Now the next question, question B, 7544 milliliters. So can you tell how we can represent that in terms of liters and milliliters? 7544 milliliter means it is equal to 7 liters and 544 milliliters. How did we write like that? 7544 milliliter is equal to 7000 milliliter plus 544 milliliter. So 7000 milliliter means it is equal to 7 liters, and here it is 544 milliliters. So you can use this as a shortcut to check your answer whenever you are doing conversions. So if that is the case, can you tell what is the answer to the third question? 9900 milliliter. It is equal to 9 liter and 900 milliliter. So I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to go through the topic capacity and the conversion of units of capacity in page number 126 and 127. Go through the topic once again, then move on to exercise 9.6 in page number 128. You have to work out all the questions from the exercise in your notebook, then you will be really thorough with the conversions. So that's all for today, children. Hope this was clear to you. So we'll meet again in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.